Hey guys, Eddie McRae of Riverman Fishing in Nucanoe. So the last video I shot on repairing the F10 with the patch panel repair. I realized after the fact that I had forgotten to include close-up footage of actually repairing the screw holes where I mounted the patch panel in place. So what I decided to do was shoot a quick follow-up video, and basically I'm just going to try to show you in real time just how quick and easy it is to do with a plastic welder. So stay tuned, here we go. So first off, let me show you what equipment I'm going to be using here. I've got my cordless drill. I've got a screw, which we're actually going to run into this brand new boat and strip out. I've got a countersink. I've got a little bit of plastic that I'm going to use for weld stock. I don't know if you can see that, but maybe that'll help a little bit. You can see where I've sharpened a little bit of a point on it. That's going to help us to start the weld when we're filling this hole. Got a little wood block wrapped with wax paper. Razor scraper, just in case we need to do any fine trimming. And then I've got my plastic welder. So let's get started. Okay, so I apologize if it's a little hard to hear. I've got the plastic welder running in the background to preheat. I'm just going to go ahead and run this screw in this boat right here and create our hole. Okay, so now we've got a hole created from a stripped screw. What I'm going to do is change over to the countersink bit. And what I want to do with that is create a bevel to be able to work with this weld. And I'm not sure how good you can see that, but basically what we've done is countersink that hole, which will provide a little more surface for the weld to stick to. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab the heat gun, the welder, heat this surface, and I'm also going to be heating my welding stock at the same time. Once I see that surface start to gloss and shine, I know I've created enough heat. And I'll see it soften there, the welding rod shining up. Surface of the boat is shining up, so what I'm going to do is just jam it down in there and work it around a little bit. While it's still hot, I'm going to press it with this wood block and we'll give it a chance to cool for just a few seconds before I raise it, so it doesn't actually try to pull the plastic back out. And there's our screw hole repair. So once that completely cools, if I need to, which I don't really feel like I do, but if I need to, I can actually shave that a little bit with the trimmer. Okay, so it finally cooled down. I decided to go over this with an 80 grit block real quick, just to smooth it off a little bit. That should be plenty good enough. And all I'm going to do now is just wave a heat gun over it and bring the gloss back in. And there you have it. Repaired screw hole. Basically, what, 5-minute repair? Okay, so I hope this shows just how quick and easy this process really is. This is where our screw hole was right here. I don't even know if it will actually stand out that well on video, but gives you a good look at it anyway. Super easy. Okay guys, well that's it. My primary intent, my primary purpose here was to show you guys just how easy and simple and fast this process is. As a matter of fact, it takes more time to get the tools out than it does to perform the repair. At any rate, I hope you found it helpful. As always, thanks for watching, tight lines, and happy paddling.